Get excited about the 2016 Chrysler 300. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power seat, a trip computer, and leather upholstery. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chrysler's rigorous certification process. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.